Perform commands over SSH with Python. I'm writing a script to automate some command line commands in Python. At the moment, I'm doing calls like this. However, I need to run some commands on a remote machine. Manually, I would log in using SSH and then run the commands. How would I automate this in Python? I need to log in with a known password to the remote machine, so I can't just use cmd equals ssh user at remote host. I'm wondering if there's a module I should be using.
I will refer you to Paramiko. See this question. If you are using SSH keys, do.
Keep it simple. No libraries required. Or you can just use commands.getStatus output. I used it extensively and it works great. In Python 2.6+, use subprocess.check_output.
I found Paramiko to be a bit too low level, and Fabric not especially well suited to being used as a library, so I put together my own library called Spur that uses Paramiko to implement a slightly nicer interface. If you need to run inside a shell,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.